This is Newtons Cradle, completely coded from scratch in C++. You're probably wondering why I do this. Anyways, I've been learning C++ for a while now and it's really hard. The closest thing I'd built was a 2D game, so I wanted to challenge myself. Try a simple 3D simulation, and I think Newton's Cradle would do the trick. This will definitely not take me days to build. Now, I'm not great at math, but I believe in building and learning as you go is the best approach in programming. I'll be using Raylib as my framework. Alright, let's start. Setting up the game loop was easy enough, and then I got to the part I had zero experience with, 3D. I did some digging on how 3D works in Raylib. Turns out, it's actually pretty easy. Got the camera set up, but then I hit a problem. I couldn't move around freely. The view was locked and the box I rendered was facing the wrong direction. My first thought was to control the camera manually with key inputs. That got complicated fast. Turns out there's literally one function that handles all of this. So that was fun. Now I built the cradle itself, the frame, the walls, whatever you call that thing. Figuring out how to render a bunch of shapes in 3D was an experience. But I got there. Now I just need to draw the balls. Balls. Now rendering the stuff on screen is easy, but how do we make them move? 5 balls hanging on string, pull one back, drop it, ball on the other side flies up, middle one doesn't move. Two things happening: conservation of momentum and conservation of energy. Now how do we do this in code? This part took most of my time. I'm not great at math and this was completely new to me. I almost wanted to quit, but I told myself I'd follow this through to the end. And here I am. Each ball swings like a pendulum, and luckily there's a formula for that. G is gravity, L is string length, and angle is the tilt of the ball. The further the ball swings, the harder the gravity pulls it back. Now I need to do this across all 5 balls, and handle what happens when they hit each other. I simplified the collision as much as I could. When 2 balls meet, I just swap their velocities. Physically perfect? No. Does it look right? Yeah. 1 ball in, 1 ball out, 2 balls in, 2 balls out. Honestly, what's the practical use for this? I just saw a video on Newton's Cradle one day and thought, hey, I can make that in C++. You don't really need a reason. Build things that interest you. Serious things, fun things, stupid things. Projects like this don't need to be practical, they just need to keep you going. Like an AI girlfriend. Don't call me on that. Code's in the description. See you on the next one.